Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Sayyid Alfanullah, Advocate Corporate Law at Peshawar High Court and a visiting lecturer at Frontier Law College, Peshawar. In the previous lecture, we had discussed the Memorandum of Association. In today's lecture, we are discussing the Article of Association, that is an essential part for the registering of a company. So every company is required to file the Article of Association along with the Memorandum of Association with the registrar at the time of its registration. Companies Act defined as the Article of Association of a company as originally framed as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous Companies Acts. They also include, so far as they apply to the company, those in the Table A of Schedule 1 annexed in the Act or the corresponding provisions of the earlier Acts. Article of Association are the rules, regulations and bylaws for governing the internal affairs of the company. So if you look at the Memorandum of Association defines the structure of the company, but the Article of Association defines the rules and regulation that how to run a company or how to run the affairs of a company. So one thing defines the structure and the other one defines the rules to run a company. They may be described as the internal regulations of a company governing its management and embodying the powers of the directors and officers of the company as well as the powers of the shareholders. They lay down the mode and the manner in which the business of the company to be conducted. So it defines the roles of the directors, the role of the shareholders and the rules and regulations that how to run the business, the manner in which the business of the company to be conducted. Keep it in mind that no article can be added into the Article of Association that is against the superstructure of a company, that is the Memorandum of Association. So if an article here is defined that is not tallying with the Memorandum of Association, so that article is termed to be null and void. For example, a company is defined to be a private limited company, but here an article is added that belongs to a security. So this article will not be a valid article as per the Memorandum of Association. So in framing the Article of Association, care must be taken to see the regulation frame do not go beyond the powers of the company itself, as I said now, as contemplated by the Memorandum of Association. So none of the article should go against the Memorandum of Association, nor they should be such as would violate any of the requirements of the Companies Act itself, nor it should violate the law of the Article of Association or the Memorandum of Association or the Companies Act itself. All clauses in the Article of Association ultra vires the Memorandum or the Act shall be null and void. We will discuss the ultra vires, what are these, in the next lecture. But here, such an act that is against the Memorandum of Association or the Companies Act by itself, it will be termed as a null and void, and it will have no persistence in the eyes of Allah. So Article of Association are to be printed, divided into paragraphs, serially numbered and signed by each subscriber to the memorandum with the address, description, and occupation. Each subscriber shall sign in the presence of at least one witness who shall attest the signatures and also mention his name and address as the occupation as we discussed in the memorandum of association. So if someone asks you what is the main difference in the memorandum of association and article of association, so the memorandum of association defines the structure of the company, whereas the article of association defines the rules and the business to run a company according to the law. So the article of association is a law for a company, whereas the memorandum of association is the charter of the company that governs the superstructure, and it governs the transactions and the rules of the businesses, the powers of the directors, the owners, the shareholders, and the day-to-day business and the procedure for running the business. Thanks. I'm Said Irfanullah, advocate, Peshawar High Court, and a visiting lecturer at Frontier Law College, Peshawar.